Dear visitors and subscribers of my channel, my video is about the danger of pop-ups titled as main site of updatenow.best. Main site of updatenow.best. I've just made it highlighted, and basically these pop-ups may attack your browsers in Mac computers. I mean browsers like Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and surely Google Chrome. The pop-up says, software update, Adobe Flash Player is out of date. The version of this plugin on your computer does not include the latest security updates. Flash cannot be used until you download an update from Adobe. Well, to say it frank and clearly, this pop-up is absolutely deceptive. In fact, there is no need for you at all to perform any updates of Adobe Flash Player. This pop-up, by the way, is the result of certain adware currently being enabled in your Mac computer. So the adware may be hidden under some strange process in the background, or it may actually be in the form of some browser extension. I recommend that you carefully inspect your Mac applications, and if you find some suspicious items there, make sure you move them to the trash. And of course, you need to disable and remove suspicious browser extensions or add-ons. If you locate them here, make sure you get rid of them. Speaking about these so-called Adobe Flash Player downloads, they actually contain installers of several potentially unwanted programs. So if you download and install this fake Flash by mistake, you are actually making your system even more vulnerable before other threats. So I recommend you not to proceed with such updates. You just need to close this window completely. Now, I recommend that you also scan your Mac computer with the reliable security software, and Combo Cleaner Antivirus, that's the good choice, I believe. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com using this download Combo Cleaner button. Afterwards, start the program and begin scanning with it by clicking on the Start Combo Scan button. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner has got two versions, the trial one and the premium one. To remove the malware, you will need the premium version of the software. Nevertheless, scanning with Combo Cleaner will uncover the locations of threats in your Mac, and you may remove them manually or automatically with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.